How were Roman roads built with bare hands? Imagine a vast network of roads stretching across the Roman Empire, all built long before modern machinery. How did they manage such a feat with just their hands and simple tools? Let's find out. Roman roads were created through a long, careful process that relied on skilled workers, precise measurements, and a lot of manual effort. Roman surveyors, called agrimensores, played a key role. They used tools like the groma and corroborees to measure straight lines and ensure the road followed the right slope for water drainage. They marked the route by placing stakes and cords, making sure the path was as straight as possible over long distances. Once the route was set, workers cleared the land by hand. They cut down trees and removed bushes with axes and saws. After clearing, they dug trenches along the marked path. These trenches were often deep enough to reach from soil or bedrock, giving the road a solid foundation. They used wooden shovels and hoes to loosen and remove soil, working carefully to keep the trench even and deep enough. Building the road involved laying down for main layers, each placed and compacted by hand. The first layer, called statumen, was made of large flat stones fitted tightly together. Workers carried these stones by hand, fitting them into place with hammers and chisels. The second layer, rudis, was made of smaller stones mixed with lime and rubble. They spread this layer evenly and pressed it down with hand tools to make it firm. Next came the nucleus, a layer of gravel, sand, lime, and sometimes crushed pottery. This was leveled and pressed with hand tools to create a smooth surface. Finally, the top layer, called summa crusta or pavimentum, was made of large, flat paving stones like basalt. These stones were shaped to fit tightly together, creating a durable surface that could handle heavy traffic. To help water flow off the road, they built a slight curve called a camber. Drainage ditches and small culverts were dug alongside the road to carry water away. All of this work was done with simple tools like wooden shovels, hoes, hammers, and chisels. The entire process was teamwork, skill, and careful planning. Roman roads were built to last, and their construction shows how much could be achieved with manual labor and clever engineering. These roads connected cities, allowed armies to move quickly, and helped trade flourish across the empire. Every stone and layer was placed with purpose, all by the strength and skill of Roman hands.